Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue voice search not working for apps. So here this is the remote of this device. Here you can see the mic button. We need to press and hold this mic button, then we need to ask. So let me try. I am going to try to search VLC player. Install VLC player. See, the result is coming from the YouTube, not from the App Store. So when you search for app, you have to use the word app. That is very important. So let me try. Search for VLC player app in Play Store. See, now you can see the result from the Play Store. So you have to use the word app, then Play Store. So that way you can search in Play Store and get the result. Then you can install the app. Okay, so you can try this way. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.